Hello children, I am Miss Jayashree here. Today we will start part 2 preventive measures of pollution, standard 9 geography. Last we learnt about how to reduce the use of fossil fuels. Now we will come to the how to save the energy, saving energy. India faces many energy crises due to the population pressure and overuse of energy substances. The following measures can be help to save the energy. Here a question may be asked children, what are the measures can be taken to save the energy resources? 1. Use of extra blankets and warm garment instead of the room heaters. Next point. At the time of using air conditioners and room heaters, keep in mind that the doors and windows of the room are closed. Using the solar energy. Next, judicious use of the water resources so that there can be production of hydroelectricity. Judicious use means how much is necessary, that much can be used, and rest can be conserved, means wise use of the water resources. Next point, use of public transport or the passenger sharing like carpool. In the next we discuss this one. This helps to save the energy cost and exercise the life of the vehicle. Next we will discuss about very important thing children here, organic farming. It is a very important thing to save our soil resource. Organic farming means children, organic farming is a holistic approach or a system of farming which is primarily aimed at cultivating the land and raising the crop in such a way that it keeps the soil alive and in good health by use of organic farming techniques. What are the organic farming techniques here children? Maybe crops. Here crop rotation can be done. Here leguminous crops can be planted so that the leguminous crops can able to hold the nitrogen content in the soil. Next, kharif crops can be grown. Animal and farm waste, aquatic waste, and the other biological materials such as the biofertilizers. Here a question may be asked children, what is organic farming and what are the principles of organic farming? Here I explained you what is organic farming. By using the biofertilizers you can able to grow the crops in an improved manner, and also here the soil fertility will live for a longer time. Soil will be alive. Next, the 4 principles of organic farming. First, organic farming should sustain and enhance the health of the soil, plants and animals and human beings. Next, organic farming should be based on living ecological systems. Organic farming should be done basing on the environment. Organic farming should be managed by a precautionary and responsible manner. Precautions can be taken while doing the organic farming so that we will not harm our ecosystem. Again, I am repeating children, organic farming is a holistic system of farming which is primarily aimed at cultivating the land and raising the crop in such a way so as to keep the soil alive and in good health by using the organic farming techniques. What are the 4 principles over here? Organic farming should sustain and enhance the health of the soil, plants and animals and human beings. Organic farming should be based on living ecological systems. Organic farming should be done basing on the environment. We have to take care of the environment also while doing the organic farming. We will not create any damage to the environment. Organic farming should be managed by a precautionary and responsible manner. Here children, organic farming, from where we can get the materials for organic farming. Materials, what are the sources from where we will get the organic farming? Organic farming can be done by green leaf manure, by crop rotation, by biological management, by animal husbandry, by biofertilizers, by manures, by vermicompost. Here vermicompost means earthworm culture can be done, and also the compost, it is one type of natural manure, can be created and we can use in organic farming. See, again I am repeating: green leaf manure, second crop rotation, third biological management, 4 animal husbandry, 5 biofertilizers, 6 manures, natural fertilizers are called as manures, then 7 vermicompost. So organic farming reduces the soil pollution and it reinforces the fertility of the soil. So soil fertility will be increased by adding the natural manures. So organic farming is a holistic approach to save the soil and to save the soil pollution and also keep the soil alive. Okay, thank you children.